Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we are going to discuss the 11th kind of verb that is known as verbs of perception and sensation. Let's begin the today's topic, the definition of verbs and perception and sensation. Those verbs which are used to express the five senses are called verbs of perception and sensation. We have got some five senses. If we express are those five senses, such kind of verbs will be called your verbs of perception or sensation. So total they are five verbs which we'll be discussing. Number one is taste. It is one of our senses. For that we use taste. It is also verb of perception. Second verb of perception or sensation is ear and listen. Now ear and listen, what is the difference? In British English, they have got the difference that I'm going to tell you. Ear means whatever passes from your ear but you do not understand them. That is just a sound. It can be sound of people. When it is too much crowd, you can just hear the sound. And it can be sound of animals, like you do not understand what do they say. And it can be sound of things like beating drums and etc. Listen means which passes from your ear and you understand that. You as well understand. Now if you are listening to me, I say you are listening to me and you are understanding me as well. That is in British. But I say you heard a sound. That is what you did get, but what sort of sound that was. Ear means listen but do not understand. Listen means to hear but understand. And in American English, ear also means that understand. For example, I say I heard a news that three persons were killed. Now over there, ear means listen as well, which passes from your ear and you understand that. So that is the second one. Third one, we have got see, look and watch. See means, generally we say that, you can see my lecture in front of you now on your screens. If I say, there is a word in perception, if you see the C spelling over here, spelling of C air. Now over here, I say look at this word, C. That is quite different from the word E. Clear? Now air, C is just looked by you. Look means when you're looking at one thing and other all things will be disappeared from your eyes. If I say look at this word C which I have circled, so you can see the point of this lens. I say can you see that is moving? So look at this one. And now if you look at this one, all the things will be disappear from your eyes. And if I say see this, in seeing that you can see the all words, that is see. Watch is used for media, like watching movie, watching cricket, watching football, watching television, laptop, etc. For sport games, live like we have got cricket match, football match. So for that you'll be using watch as well. Next word we have got smell, and fifth one we have got feel. So these are the five verbs of perception and sensation which express the five senses, are known as your verbs of perception and sensation. Examples we will look at: we taste the food, it was delicious. We tasted the food, it was delicious. Okay, print mistake. We tasted the food, it was delicious. And in the same way it is sense of taste. He heard a news which was horrible. Which was horrible. And next we have got the third example. I saw the scenery. Now that is the third verb of perception and sensation. Taste, ear, saw. And the next fourth one, she smells the flower. Now air, smell is the fourth verb of perception. And last, you feel better now. Feeling is the fifth verb of perception. Those verbs which show the five senses are called verbs of perception and sensation. Hope you got today's lecture regarding verbs of perception and sensation. And if you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. See you next time. Wish you best of luck. Goodbye.